AIADMK coordinator OPS once again hints at inclusion of Sasikala back into the party. Though AIADMK has met with a cold response from the EPS camp, Team EPS says there is no forgiveness for Sasikala or her family members, while OPS, without naming her, asked for forgiveness for the wrongdoers. Interestingly, AIADMK ally in Tamil Nadu BJP has once again supported the idea of a united unit.
Only very recently we have seen both EPS and OPS were once again elected as party coordinator and joint coordinator, and it was thought that the internal rift between OPS and EPS have settled down in ADMK. But now we are seeing once again the OPS is floating the idea of including Sasikala back into the party. Yesterday in a party function, OPS have made a biblical reference, and he has stated an admirable quality of any good leadership is to accept people who repent from their mistake. So this has definitely not gone well with the all section of people in ADMK. As soon as OPS making this remark, we have seen Team EPS, former Minister Jai Kumar and organizing secretary of ADMK has shot down this idea, and he has stated that ADMK will be in a position to forgive anyone, but definitely Sasikala will not be pardoned, is what we are hearing from Minister Jai Kumar also. So once again we are seeing OPS is testing waters. He is trying this idea of bringing back Sasikala back into the party, but Team EPS is completely vehemently opposed to this idea of OPS, because it is very interesting. Right from the day one, we have seen almost all the senior leaders, all the senior former ministers in the Team EPS camp have spoke against Sasikala. We even have seen in district level several senior leaders and district secretaries passing a resolution against Sasikala. But particularly in the southern districts, we have not seen anyone, or including OPS, speaking any word against Sasikala when she tried to use ADMK's flag, or she continues to call herself as ADMK's General Secretary. So with that being in the place, now we are saying OPS is once again making an effort to float this idea, and very importantly now BJP is also having interest in it, and we have seen BJP leaders also saying that all the leaders in ADMK should stay united for the party to become stronger and fight back DMK.
Joining us now on the program, T.S. Sudhir, political analyst, who's also a close observer of all the political events that's going on right now. Good afternoon, Mr. Sudhir. I want your understanding on the current state of affairs. Clearly, OPS is in a way signaling that he is the person who is now in fact championing the cause of bringing Sasikala back into the fold. What exactly would this mean, and what are you reading into the current situation?
Well, it was most definitely not any kind of a biblical reference that he was making at that Christmas event of the AIADMK. The reference was clearly to a possible comeback by Sasikala into the AIADMK fold. And for that, we need to see what has happened through the year of 2021, because it was pretty early in the year before the elections were announced that the BJP was nudging Edappadi Palaniswamy to allow Sasikala to come back into the AIADMK fold, because the BJP central leadership survey showed that she could influence the voting in about 38 to 40 constituencies in Tamil Nadu. That did not happen because Palaniswamy was adamant against the entry. Now OPS is saying this because he does feel that the dual leadership theory is only on paper. He does not really have much of a say within the AIADMK dispensation, and therefore he would not mind joining hands once again with Sasikala, the woman against whom he had revolted over 5 years ago, because he does feel that in that case, the southern belt of Tamil Nadu, where the Devar community rules large, would be able to consolidate and thereby put himself also in a good position if the AIADMK is to do politically well in the years to come.
All right. So, but, what are the stakes involved here? Is that going to help? How is that, in fact, going to help the cause of O Paneerselvam, Mr. Sudhir?